Welcome. Today we will talk about diabetes. So, what exactly is diabetes? Simply put, it's a condition where the body struggles to manage blood sugar levels. Blood sugar or glucose is the body's primary energy source. Our body breaks down food, primarily carbohydrates, into glucose. The body then absorbs the glucose into the bloodstream, and the increase in glucose triggers the pancreas to produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps move glucose from your body into your cells for energy. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the pancreas, damaging it and stopping it from making insulin. Without insulin, glucose stays in the bloodstream instead of entering the cells. Type 2 diabetes is a bit different. In this case, the body still makes insulin, but the cells resist it. The pancreas tries to produce more insulin, but it can't keep up. And again, glucose builds up in the bloodstream. More than 95% of people with diabetes have type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar, if left untreated, can lead to serious problems over time, like heart disease, kidney damage, nerve issues, and vision problems. Some common signs and symptoms of diabetes include excessive thirst, frequent urination, extreme hunger, fatigue, and blurry vision. A person can still manage diabetes even though there is no cure. Here are some essential steps to keep your blood sugar in check. Eat a healthy, balanced diet, exercise regularly, take medications or insulin as prescribed, monitor your blood sugar levels, and regular checkups with your doctor. With the proper care and lifestyle changes, people with diabetes can lead a healthy life.